So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to adjust the image exposure here on Fotor. So once Fotor is opened up, I'm going to go to Photos right here and add a photo of this person doing a chin up or something very impressive at the gym. And if you want to edit the exposure in this photo, press on the photo, go to the top left where it says adjustment right here. Then under exposure, if you want to make it more exposed, you can bring the meat or the little line to the right. You can slide it to the left if you want to make it less. Whatever the case may be, you can go ahead and kind of play around with it. If all looks good, you can exit out of there and see how it looks in your photo. Very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can adjust image exposure here on Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.